Hi mga katotoys and welcome to TuneR, and today we're going to unbox this Soul of Chogokin Try-On 3. Before we start, this video was brought to you by Hobby Ali, so if you want to see more of this Soul of Chogokin series, just visit their website, PM them on their Facebook, or shop in their Lazada or Shopee pages. And there you go mga katotoys. We have this special box here. This is not an ordinary kit. Napakaangas, napakalaki, napakaganda. Baka Soul of Chogokin yan mga katotoys. Yan. Soul of Chogokin. This is a try-on 3 figure or kit or mecha brought to you by Tamashii Nations, Bandai. And of course, this is from the series Gundam Build Fighters Try. So, well, definitely, given the name Soul of Chogokin, we're expecting quality, the material, details, gimmicks, and effects inside of this box. Yan, as we all know, yan, doon sa mga nakapanood ng Gundam series, yung Gundam Build Fighters Try, mix of both worlds to. So, kung fan ka ng Gundam, and plus, fan ka ng mga Japanese mecha, nagko-combine, nagkagatay, well, definitely ito na yung pinakahihintay ng lahat ng mga collector para mailagay sa kanilang pedestal. So definitely, let's check kung ano yung nasa loob nitong buwaka ng inis na Gundam Try-On 3. Let's go! Okay, basically, meron siyang two parts of container here. One for the accessories and one for the figure itself. So we're going to check piece by piece. There are lots of gimmicks, extra parts, accessories inside of this package. And there we go. We have here the stand base. Itong napakalaking Buster Blade. Later, yan, pag binuo natin siya mamaya, gusto kong makita kung paano yung angas at yung forma nitong pinaka saber niya, Buster Saber, Beam Saber rather. Meron siya yung the usual Beam Saber. Yan, because yun nga, diba, si Double Zeta pa rin got this humongous Beam Saber. Yan. And other accessories. Ayan. Meron siyang booster. Later, check natin kung saan siya ginagamit. Then, meron siyang wing effects here. Of course, we have here variation of articulated hands. Ayan. So, we have four sets of articulated hands. Yan. So yung mga mahilig sa mga dramatic poses ng mga kamay to express a dynamic pose, meron tong Try-On 3. Yan. Baka Soul of Chogokin yan, pero dito talaga ako pinaka-interesadong makita gaano kaangas. Sobrang laki, okay? Mas malaki pa siya sa kamay ko. Grabe. So, kailangan ko ilayo sa camera para makita nyo kung gano'n siya kahaba at gano'n kalaki. Now, after nating masilip yung mga accessories, let's proceed with this main kit. And andito yung pinaka-booklet or manual niya. And let's check muna yung ibang parts like this one. Yan, syempre, as part of Soul of Chogokin, hindi mawawala sa kanila tong parang nameplate or name tag para yung, alam niyo yung museum yung dating or yung pag dinisplay mo siya para siyang isang great altar yung work. Yes, tong pinaka-iingat-ingatang mga V-fins. Okay. Tong V-fins na to na may malaki at merong V-fins na regular. So, yan nga. As a sign of symbol na isa siyang Gundam, yung mga V-fins na yan. So sa mga Super Sentai fans dyan, very familiar kayo dito sa ganitong type. Yung mga lion, tapos naka land beast setup. Yan, titignan natin yung pinaka details niya. Although medyo matetempt ka lang din, no, yung mga lines. If you want to add some black panel line, kung fan ka ng mga black panel line, tingin ko pwede mo siyang dagdagan dito. Okay. And yeah, meron siyang shiny gold here. Sa side, medyo iwasan na lang natin. Okay, I think you need to wear our glove. Dito lang naman. Ito lang naman yung shiny part. Pero yung ibang part na gold is a matte gold setup. So this is RM01 Riku Try-On. Next is the this one, Umi Try-On. Yan. Umi Try-On. So from the name itself, Umi Try-On, yan, water type vehicle, beast vehicle na meron. So again, hindi biro yung bigat niya. Yan, baka Soul of Chogokin yan. Yan. Yan, yung mga details na yan, no? Yung mga shoulder details na yan. Yan. Yan yung mga inaasahan natin para sa isang Soul of Chogokin material. And kapansin-pansin dito yung mga metal parts with this one. Okay, this is RM02 Umi Try-On. The last member of the Try-On tree. Yeah, baba na natin yung ano. This is the Sora Try-On. Yeah, Sora Try-On. It's I don't know, it's a falcon or eagle type unit. Yan. Sige, angat natin. Labas natin yung mga talons niya para mas ma-appreciate natin. Yan. Yan. This is a flying bird type. Might be a falcon or a eagle. Okay. So this is the sky type unit for this one. So again, ito mas mabigat pang part na to because this is the leg part of the unit. With regards with the articulation, so syempre nakadepende pa rin yung articulation nila sa magiging final mecha build nito. But as individual, meron siyang good articulation representation for this one. Ayan, itong kay Riku Try-On. Ayan, again, sorry for the unwanted sounds po. Medyo maraming dumadaan na mga luxury cars. The joke yan. So, there are lots of possible poses that you can do with this Riku Try-On. Because meron siya mga ball jointed for the legs as a four-legged lion type, and you can play around and do some cool poses for this one. Later we're going to have this right justice pose. This one for Umi, nothing to expect for articulation because yan, yung sa Umi type para siyang stingray, steady lang siya. For this, yan. So if you're going to want to play with this, yan, you can move this flapping wings, yan, and then this shoulder shield, then these thrusters, yan, you can play with this one, yan. So if you yung mga weapons as this vehicle unit, yan, yung pag-dive up, si Sora, yan, going to lift it din, yan, yung pinaka articulation niya, syempre this is a leg, but for the eagle unit or falcon unit, yan, so medyo limited yung magiging movement niya for the legs, so you're going to make it fly with this one like this. Yeah. So yung mga itong part na to, yan, you can move it up and down, then yan sa mga talons. Yan. And Bix pala, sorry for the Bix. Very aesthetic, intricate design. Yan, for this one. Grabe yung pagkakagawa. So, dahil try-on-3 nga siya, basically and definitely, so, dapat mag-combine sila or mag-gatay. Gatsayo. So, pahihintay natin, mga katotoys. Let's work with the gatay.
Tatak, tulak, 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 tatak, tulak, tatak, 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 tulak, tulak, pihit, pihit, tulak, 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 pihit, tulak, 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 tatak, pihit, tulak, 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 pihit, tulak, pihit, pihit, tulak, 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 pihit, pihit, tulak, pihit.
Let's start with the articulated hands. So, meron siyang 4 sets much expressive and much bigger hands. Mapapansin nyo, meron siyang existing knuckles dyan that was intended for the transformation area para lang mapakita niya na galing sa loob yung kamay, but where in fact you're going to change it with these big knuckles for this one. And this is also very useful and well interpreted pagka gagamit ka na nung kanyang effect for the armed booster or yung rocket punch style niya na ginagamit sa anime, in which shows the awesomeness and kung gaano ka astig yung yung rocket punch. Subukan natin isa-isahin yung mga weapons or firepowers niya if it's aligned with this effect parts and weapons. Okay, so of course meron siya yung tinatawag na Liger Glare. Given na yun, naka-display na yun doon sa mata mismo ni Riku Try-On. And then meron din siyang wing shield, of course, heat wings. So ginagamit siya of course for the offensive maneuvers and attacks. Boomerang stagger. This is the boomerang stagger. So for the boomerang stagger, this is the V-fin of Try-On 3. Mapapansin nyo, and nag-upsize or nag-expand para maging boomerang weapon. Visible din dito kay Try-On 3 itong high mega cannon dito sa forehead niya, which is common weapon din ni Double Zeta. Double cannonade, yung nasa likod niya, yung big cannons, hyper beam sabers, this one. So hindi po siya chopsticks, but this is the default large beam saber, the Raptor Beaker. Yan, nandito sa part na to. Yung Raptor Beaker niya, in the anime, ginamit siya pang grab ng enemy dahil sa articulation niya bumubuka yung claw or yung talons niyan. Choco Pressure, yung shockwave na nire-release dito sa bunganga ni Rico Tryon, para siyang chest burst na may yung Lion's Roar. Parang ganun yung dating niya for this one. And then, yung pinaka final weapon niya, yung Hyper Minovsky Chohoken. Actually, it's 2-part lang. Ito yung part ni Sora, yung ulo. Then, yung tail ni Umi. Kukombine na siya lang ganyan. And then, attach natin tong Big Buster Lavsky sword like this. So, open na natin siya lang ganyan. Yun, yung isa sa nagpapaangas for this one. So, mapapansin yung sobrang laki niya. Mas malaki siya sa kamay ko for this Buster weapon. Meron pa siyang bursting effects or wing-like na nakakabit dito, just like so. So, kakabit lang natin yan. This one, ay, palsabit. Yan. Yan. And another one for that. Yan. So, parang na talaga siyang isang giant beam saber. Diba? Angas. And then, another thing is that pwede nyo pa rin i-attach yung pinaka handle nitong beam saber as additional detail for this giant beam sword ng Tryon. So, nagdadagdag siya ng more aesthetics and angas for the kit itself. And wait, there's more. So, may bago pa silang additional gimmicks na ginawa. Pag dinatouch mo naman to, okay, may another functions na pinoprovide itong ulo ng Sora. Kakabitan mo pa siya ng wings with this one. Then, ikakabit natin doon sa back ng Tryon. Pagkabit natin doon sa back ng Tryon, para siyang magkakaroon ng, instead of a double cannonade attack, it's a full force big bang blasting weapon na nakamount yung ulo ng Sora. Tapos meron siyang wings effect. Another ultimate healing weapon siya under this Soul of Chogokin model. There you go, fellow builders, the complete Gatai form of this Tryon 3. Grabe, sobrang angas, sobrang bagsik. Ang bigat niya, honestly. Given with the diecast parts, ayan, talaga namang nagbibigay value for this kit. Together with the edge. Yan. Ingat lang tayo mga katotoys with some parts of this figure kasi sobrang sharp niya to express the detail. May mga area siya na talagang matalim, pwede kayong masugatan. Of course, even yung fangs, yan, may pagkamatulis din yung dating niya. For the articulation, yes, yung mga joints niya and yung mga locks niya is naka-tight na setup dahil nga metal frame din yung mga pegs and joints. So, ingat lang tayo mga katotoys if we're going to display or do some exciting poses for this figure. Meron pa rin siyang mga nagagawang mga action poses that you can express with this figure. Yun nga lang, may mga parts din na nagiging limiting for the design of this kit. So yun, meron tayong mga limited knee bends dito. Yan, hindi natin masyadong maitutupi ng sobrang sagad, though it's decent enough na rin naman na to express some articulated poses sa feet. Ayan, medyo limiting lang din yung galaw natin unless you're going to expand this fluff cover kung gusto mo lang siyang igalaw pa more other than dun sa the usual position ng paa. But nevertheless, you can play with this one with just extra careful. And there you go mga katotoys. So, sulit ba ang Soul of Chogokin Tryon 3 sa presyo nito? Well, if you are a fan of course, Gunpla or Gundam franchise, you do also love this Super Robot Wars theme na may halong Sentai, Super Sentai, Mecha that combined and do this awesome gatays, definitely it's a yes for me, especially kung talagang hardcore collector ka and you have this enough budget. Well, of course, wala na tayo masasabi doon sa mga details as part of the Soul of Chogokin franchise. In any series, Gundam series, Super Robot series, or even Super Sentai Mecha series, pasok tong collectible figure na to. That's it for the unboxing and review. If you're looking for a figure in a higher level or higher tier, Soul of Chogokin Tryon 3 is the one that you need to consider. If you like this Soul of Chogokin figure, again, this is available in Hobby Ali store. You can visit their website, PM them on their Facebook shop, in their Lazada or Shopee pages for more details. Please do burst like, share, subscribe to my channel, and blast that notification bell for more videos. And this is Soul of Chogokin Tryon 3. Until next time here in Chun R, may the toys be with you.